What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So today I want to quickly talk about Urban VPN and whether or not it's actually a good VPN. So I just want to make this as brief as possible. Whenever you come across a free VPN that claims to be the only 100% free, 100% fast, and 100% anonymous in the world, I don't think this is even proper grammar in the first place, but whenever you see anything like this, I would definitely advise against getting it and really buying the fact that it's actually a free VPN. Now, I don't like that it works only on a few basic platforms. So you've got the exclusion of Linux, Fire TV, and apps for other devices as well. And the biggest issue with Urban VPN is that it stores logs, but not just connection logs or timestamps. It stores every bit of information that jeopardizes your privacy. Basically, it's completely antithetical to the concept of a VPN in the first place, which is supposed to be for privacy, but with Urban VPN, they're keeping all your logs and they do everything wrong in terms of privacy. They sell your personal data to third parties, and given that it has no security features like a kill switch or an IP or DNS leak protection, it's not going to be safe if a VPN connection is lost and you'll be exposed to the public eye or your ISP. And I also don't like that it's not peer-to-peer friendly and can't be used for torrenting. It's a totally poor choice for bypassing censorship or accessing streaming services as well, and it has no customer support. And so yeah, this is a service that is strictly free apparently, but it can be bought on iOS and Android, but for an unusually expensive price. Either way, this is, if I were to sum it up, a totally terrible VPN that I would never recommend to anybody. As far as VPNs that are actually good VPNs, I mean, if you're looking for a free VPN, I would just recommend Proton VPN or TunnelBear or Windscribe. But as far as premium VPNs, if you're looking for a VPN that accesses streaming services, you get full access to the internet no matter your location, so you can access all kinds of content. Just connect to the right server and you'll be good to go. And they all support torrenting activities or peer-to-peer activities without any bandwidth limitations or throttling. And they have the necessary security features and protocol that you would need with any premium VPN. Basically, I'm talking about Express, Nord, and Surfshark. So let's just talk a little bit about them to help you make a more informed decision if you're in the market for a VPN. And so I've been regularly testing the best and most popular VPNs, and I've narrowed it down to Express, Nord, and Surfshark as the best 3 VPNs overall. Of course, they all vary in budgets and features, yet they all have a kill switch, they're excellent for torrenting, and they all consistently work with streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. And that's why these are my favorite 3. But depending on your situation and preferences, one of them may be a better choice for you, and I'll explain why. Starting with ExpressVPN. And this is going to be the best one if you're looking for the best overall, fastest, and easiest to use VPN. And it has the most verified no-logs policy, which was demonstrated through a real-life stress test proving that they don't collect or track any user data. It has over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, which is a big number of countries, allowing you to access content from all over the globe. Plus, you can secure up to 5 simultaneous connections per account, and it's compatible with most devices. And so ultimately, whenever people ask us what the best, most reliable VPN is and don't mind spending a few extra dollars to ensure the highest levels of reliability, ExpressVPN is my go-to choice for those looking for a premium VPN. Next up is NordVPN, and Nord is what I consider to be the best value VPN. It has over 5,400 servers in 60 countries, and while more servers does not necessarily mean better service, this can help with speed and latency, especially if you use a VPN for gaming, or if you want extra features such as threat protection, which blocks ads, malware-ridden websites, as well as protect your device from harmful files, which is a neat little feature. And so Nord kind of gives you more options to fiddle with, and that's where the value for the money comes from, especially that it's about as fast as ExpressVPN in terms of performance and will let you secure up to 6 devices per subscription, as opposed to ExpressVPN's 5 device limit. So all in all, if you're someone looking to have a few more options in your VPN, then NordVPN would be the one to get. And then finally, Surfshark is my best pick for the best budget VPN. And while it has all the essentials like Express and Nord, it's not quite as fast as those two. Although with Surfshark, you're allowed to virtually secure an unlimited number of devices with just one account. So it's a great option if you don't want any simultaneous connection limits. You also get over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, which is a lot. Also, you still get bonus features such as an ad blocker for blocking pop-ups, 2 types of specialty servers, as well as no borders mode and rotating IP, which can be very useful if you're trying to use your VPN in a restrictive country. So ultimately, if you're looking to spend the least amount of money, but still have all the core features of a premium VPN, or if you need a VPN that allows you to secure all of your devices, or if you have a larger family, then Surfshark is the ideal choice. And so to sum it up, these VPNs are definitely the best in the business. ExpressVPN is a premium VPN with a strong emphasis on security and utmost anonymity, and it's perfect for those that are privacy conscious and are looking for the best VPN overall. Now, NordVPN is a well-rounded high-performance VPN that offers a lot of value for the money and is ideal for those looking for bonus features that can be useful in a variety of ways besides base VPN functions such as strong encryption, secure torrenting, and working with streaming services. And Surfshark is truly the best budget VPN that gets the job done without sacrificing any of the necessary security features that you usually get with more expensive VPNs. And as an added bonus, you get to share it around with as many of your friends and family as you would like, which is a great plus. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn a little bit more about them. And again, just to conclude, this is not recommended for peer-to-peer, torrenting, streaming, bypassing censorship. It has no customer support. And even though it's mainly free, the way it gets paid is by collecting all kinds of information on you and selling it to third-party companies. Again, I highly don't recommend this VPN. It is not reliable. I mean, feel free to try it out for yourself. But again, if you're looking for reliable VPNs, I've talked about these 3. And at this point, I believe you are more educated on these VPNs and VPNs in general, so you can make your own decision. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.